Cloudflare VPN stuck on Initializing IP Connection. Don't worry, this quick fix will solve it in minutes. Step 1. Enable Proxy Mode. Click the up arrow icon in the taskbar. Open Cloudflare VPN WARP. Click the gear icon Settings. Go to Preferences Advanced. Scroll down and click Configure Proxy Mode. Enable Proxy Mode on this device. Set port 40,000. Click OK. Now go to Connectivity tab and check if it's connected. Step 2. Disable other VPNs, very important. Press Windows + R. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click any VPN like Radmin VPN / Hamachi. Click Disable. Now reopen Cloudflare VPN and connect again. That's it, your issue should be fixed now. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.